We want justice. Them not tired to say that. And most of the time, them just waste people time on a black road.
Them bedtime, me look for my baby.
That's a good question, my boy. Where set to that, Clive?
Well, people do have the right to protest, you know. He who feels it knows it.
Then how come sometime when people have demonstration, them tear gas them? Them a tear gas innocent people?
Don't watch that alone, son. Anybody can form or join a group or association for any reason to share any concern or to talk about or share any interest at all.
Oh, the young lions are hard to understand. You know, realize that we have all sorts of laws under the, what you call it, teach? Constitution.
You can go and make joke, you know, Danny Ras. But it's true. Every Jamaican citizen under the Constitution have plenty rights. But if you don't know them, you don't have them. Why you think certain injustice don't happen to me?
Just show you educated, brethren. Just show you educated. And all the way have that, you know. You know what I mean?
See what I mean? You have that right too. Anyway, Leroy, as I was saying, the people can demonstrate as long as they are not breaking any law of the land, as long as they are not obstructing public morality or public safety or public order or jeopardizing people's health.
But look how them so close to Jamaica House.
Yes, that is all right, as long as they don't come within a certain distance. You see, under the law, nobody at all in Jamaica can move them. I wish people in this country would understand that they have the right to live and move wherever they wish in this country.
Big man, how much Babylon and them system really appear you to talk them things you have to fool up the small man?
You hear that with ignorance no, Miss Joy?
Hey! It look like somebody hold on the iron cut off him, right?
Look at yourself, man. Hear about.
Hold on there. They never they cut off your hygiene locks.
Nobody can touch iron eye rights.
Aye.
Them can only take advantage of I.
They not the same thing that.
Hush your mouth like a picnic. Sit down and be quiet. How them take advantage of you, Danny Ras?
Yo,
Whoosh.
the other day I and I get a job for the opening of the big hill. See? I go up the door, I job, and I forward off of the hill with a knapsack on my back. I don't have no taxi fare, see? You see, before I know it, I get stopped. I get drapes. I get arrested for loitering. And I don't know, so it's just because them figure say I don't fit in. You see, if it was a big shot, man, I know them wouldn't just lock him down just so.
Then the rights that him attack about. Not the same thing as take advantage. Is that I was saying?
Be quiet and shut up. Mr. Wright, what you have to say about that?
Well, Bonafide still. I know that sometimes the young lion get a little bright, but I think him really have freedom of speech, you know. Him have the right to speak.
Yes, but him fear have manners.
Well, anyway, Danny Ras was right to question how they treat him. First of all, every citizen has the right to be treated equally.
True.
Whether them is Rasta,
Selassie!
or whether them is not Rasta. Whether them rich or whether them poor. But anyway, you did check a lawyer or anything about that situation?
For what? You know how much case like this we have every day. You know, say yesterday,
Man.
I borrowed one of my brethren's car for a check a sister car from the airport. And a 2-time Babylon stopped me on my way back.
Speeding that, speeding.
Aye.
That one different than the rest. The police have a right to uphold the law. But if you need some help concerning the loitering charge, then I can put you on to legal aid clinic or some group like that. Remember, it's your rights. So if you don't follow up on it, advantage, as you put it, will always be taken of you.
You know, so that's why I like Mr. Right. Him know about rights, you know, man. So, Mr. Right, when we can check you about this legal aid clinic thing, you know something? Forward your number.
Yeah.
Best way for it.
818 73.
The Universal Declaration of Human Rights states that all are equal before the law and are entitled without any discrimination to equal protection by the law. Everyone has a right to freedom of movement. Everyone has a right to freedom of opinion and expression. Everyone has a right to freedom of peaceful assembly and association.